Hi, welcome to I Am an Artist. In this lesson, we are going to learn about color. Let's get started. Color is one of the 7 elements of art with line, shape, form, value, texture, and space. Color is created when light strikes on objects and reflects back to your eyes. All colors come from the 3 primary colors and black and white. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. You cannot make a primary color. Primary colors can be mixed together to create other colors. Secondary colors are combinations of 2 of the primary colors in equal amounts. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. And blue and red make purple. Tertiary colors are a combination of a primary color and a secondary color. When you're naming a tertiary color, the primary color is always named first, such as red-orange and yellow-green. Altogether, they form a color wheel. The color wheel organizes colors in a circle and shows the relationship between colors. The color wheel helps you choose an appealing color scheme. There are many types of color schemes. These 3 are the most common. Monochromatic color scheme is using one hue and adding white, black, or gray to create tints, tones, and shade. Analogous colors are next to each other on the color wheel, like reds and oranges, or blues and greens. Complementary colors are directly across from each other on the color wheel, like red and green, or blue and orange. When you put these next to each other, you should be careful because they create visual contrast and interest. Color has 3 properties: hue, value, and intensity. Hue is the name that we give to a color like red, blue, green, and yellow. Value is how dark or light the color is. Intensity refers to saturation or purity of a color. High intensity means the color is really bright, and low intensity means the color looks grayed out. Colors represent temperature. Reds, oranges, and yellows are called warm colors. Blues, greens, and violets are called cool colors. Using these color combinations, you can present feelings or moods and put messages in your artwork. Generally, warm colors appear bright, happy, and cheerful, while cool colors appear dark, gloomy, and mysterious. We created some interesting artwork with colors through various activities. You can check them in our Let's Art list. I hope you had fun. See you in the next lesson. Bye!